Hi friends, I am Uday Sagar Kantpal and I welcome you back to yet another lecture on Java using NetBeans IDE. So in the previous lecture we talked about calculating the simple interest and the amount, and in this lecture we will talk about calculating the compound interest and the amount. So for that we will use the same file that we used in the previous, just we need to rename this function to get simple interest amount, get SI amount, and we have done this. So the formula for amount in compound interest is a bit complicated. I am writing the formula here before creating the function. So I have written the function p into 1 plus r whole to the power t. Here we are assuming that the interest is calculated per year once. So let's create the function for getting the amount in the compound interest. Since I am assuming r is in percent, I would write it r by 100, and same here r by 100, and now I have created the function p into mat.power 1 plus r by 100 into comma to the power t or comma t. So I have calculated the amount. So let's create the implementation for that. So amount get ci amount 100, 5, 10. So we can see that the principal amount generated for the principal 1000 in 5% in 10 years compounded annually is 1628, and the simple interest is 1500. So compound interest is always greater than the simple interest, first of all. And second, we have to create a function to calculate the interest, compound interest, and the compound interest is equal to the amount minus the principal. So let's create a function for that. So I have created this function calculate C interest or calculate compound interest, and now I will use this function here. So I just need to write calculate C interest. I will run this function, and you can see that the interest is 628.89 in compounded annually and 500 if in simple interest if it's calculated annually for 10 years. So you can see that there is 628 and the amount is 1628.894. We can also create the year wise interest, and for that I will have to create another function copying the same function for the simple interest and changing the formula. So I have created the function over here, and this is the function. I have calculated the amount for ith year minus the amount for the I minus 1th year to calculate the interest for that year, and the total amount paid till date p into mat.power 1 plus r by 100 to the power I minus 1 minus p. So now let's calculate the interest for print year wise function for compound interest also along with the simple interest. So just need to print it here. So now I have printed. This is the simple interest, which is 50 fixed for each year, but this is compound interest. The compound interest initially 50.0, but again the compound interest for 2 years is 52. Second year is 52.5, and 50 is already paid till date, and third 102.5, that's 50 plus 52.5 is paid, and 55 is compounded on the interest calculated in the previous plus the principal. So it is compounded annually, and this way we have a 628.894627774442 total interest in 10 years, and 1628.894267777442. That's so compound interest over a long period of time is always more than the simple interest, first thing, and the simple interest paid per year is always the same, whereas the principal interest paid per year changes as it adds the previous year's compound interest. So hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.